flooded with content. Attention lasts less than a heartbeat. You work hard. You post. You hope someone notices. But the noise keeps getting louder. But what if your visuals could stop the scroll before a single word is spoken? One image, infinite motion. Introducing Clipsfield AI, where still photos transform into Hollywood-style videos in seconds. No cameras. No editing. Just pure AI precision bringing imagination to life. Create content that speaks, moves, and sells the way modern audiences crave. This isn't just another video tool. It's your new creative engine. Built for dreamers, creators, and brands that move fast. Clipsfield AI. The future of video starts here. Everywhere you scroll, the same kind of videos. Explosive transitions, epic camera motion, viral hooks that grab you before you even blink. You watch and wonder, how are they making these? Every clip looks like a full production studio behind it. But creating cinematic ads meant chaos. You needed editors, animators, lighting setups, and hours of rendering. Now, imagine creating that same kind of content, not with a team, not with training, but right from your laptop, inside one intelligent workspace. Because now the future of content creation has shifted. It's no longer about mastering software. It's about mastering ideas. Introducing Clipsfield AI, your personal cinematic studio. It's built for creators, marketers, and storytellers who want real visuals, not generic templates. It understands your ideas, builds cinematic shots around them, and delivers film-quality results without you touching a timeline. Think of it as your director, editor, and visual effects team, all working in seconds. And here's how simple it is. You think. Type your idea or drop an image, and the system instantly understands your vision. You generate. The AI brings it to life, complete with camera motion, lighting, depth, and cinematic transitions. Welcome to Clipsfield AI, the revolutionary platform designed to bring your creative ideas to life. This is your dashboard, the central hub where you can instantly generate attention-grabbing videos, manage your projects, and access a world of powerful creation tools. Let's begin by exploring the Clip Studio. Here, you'll find a vast and diverse library of professionally designed templates, categorized to fit any need. Whether you're creating 3D animated stories, high-energy cinematic action scenes, funny clips for social media, or sleek logo reveals, there's a perfect starting point for your project. Now, let's create a video. We'll start with a product reveal template. The process begins in the pre-production stage. First, we give our project a name and a simple, descriptive idea. Next, we customize our settings. We can choose the aspect ratio, the AI model, the number of ideas we want the AI to generate, and the overall visual style. We'll select Cinematic for a high-quality, professional look. To further guide the AI, we can upload reference images. Here, we're uploading our product and a style reference for our model. With a single click, Clipsfield's advanced AI instantly analyzes the content and style of our reference images, providing a detailed breakdown of the main subjects, design elements, mood, and color palette. This ensures the generated content is perfectly aligned with our vision. Now, we'll generate marketing ideas. The AI crafts several unique concepts based on our initial prompt and references. We'll choose the one that best fits our campaign, Mountain Edge Energy Bliss. Based on our chosen concept, the AI generates a stunning keyframe image. If it's not quite perfect, we can easily edit the prompt to refine the details. Let's adjust it slightly to change the model's pose. Perfect! Once we're happy with the image, it's time to bring it to life. Welcome to Director Mode. This is where you take full control of the animation. You can refine the video prompt and choose from a range of professional camera movements and lighting effects. We'll add a pan left and dramatic shadows to create a more dynamic and engaging shot. With a final click, the video is generated, and there you have it. A static image, seamlessly transformed into a captivating, professional-quality video clip in just a few minutes. The process is just as powerful for creating dynamic, cinematic scenes. Let's quickly build an action sequence. We'll use a template, input our concept about a soldier and an AI weapon, and upload a reference image to set the tone. The AI generates multiple storyboard concepts. We can browse through them and see how the AI interprets our idea in different ways, each generating a unique and visually striking keyframe. Once we've made our choice, we generate the video, instantly creating a high-octane scene ready for our project. For even faster creation, we have instant clips. With text to video, you simply describe the scene you want, set the parameters, and Clips field generates it in seconds. The image to video feature is just as intuitive. Upload any image, provide a simple animation description, and watch as Clips field transforms your static picture into a moving scene. Once you've generated your clips, the video synthesizer allows you to assemble them into a complete video. This is a professional multi-track editor built right into the platform. You can browse your media library and add your generated videos directly to the timeline. From there, you can add audio from our library or upload your own, insert text overlays with custom fonts, and even add image layers. When your edit is complete, just click Export. Clips field handles the rendering, delivering a finished video ready to be downloaded and shared. All of your creations are automatically saved and organized. In the Generated Images and Generated Videos sections, you can easily find everything you've made. You can also mark your best work as favorites for quick access later. From initial idea to final render, Clips Field AI provides a seamless, powerful, and intuitive workflow for creating stunning video content. Bring your vision to life today. But creation doesn't stop there. You can create faceless videos with your idea and build viral-ready clips perfect for Reels, Shorts, and TikToks. If you want your visuals to feel straight out of a movie trailer, activate the Hollywood-grade FX Engine lens flares, soft focus depth, cinematic shadows, and dynamic camera motion, all synchronized with professional-grade realism. And when you want to take full creative control, switch to AI Director mode. You decide the camera angle, the lighting intensity, the pacing, and regenerate until the scene captures your exact vision. Every creative moment begins with an idea, but when inspiration fades, the smart AI prompt writer steps in, turning one rough thought into 5 cinematic storylines, each with its own energy and atmosphere. Chain multiple clips to craft up to 60-second stories that stop the scroll. Inside the video synthesizer, you can cut, join, and remix without technical chaos. Add text and image and music, and hit render. Your videos ready to make noise. And every project you create, every idea you refine, every video you render, it all stays synced in your cloud library, giving you instant access to your entire creative history. And before you even hit render, the story preview system lets you visualize your full storyboard so you can tweak, adjust, and perfect your vision before production begins. Of course, even the best tools need great support. That's why the Professional Training Suite. Learn everything step by step with structured tutorials, walkthroughs, and guided lessons. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, the suite helps you understand every feature, tool, and workflow to create faster and smarter. And still, if you need help, our experts are available to guide you through challenges, share practical tips, and make sure you're never stuck so your creative flow never breaks. Together, these systems work like a single creative mind, one that thinks, analyzes, directs, and produces alongside you. The result? A studio that doesn't just generate videos, it collaborates with your imagination. Today, thousands of creators have already made the switch because this isn't a gimmick. It's not another slideshow app pretending to be cinematic. This is real storytelling powered by AI that understands light, motion, and emotion. It doesn't replace creativity. It frees it. It removes friction, compresses time, and gives your ideas the freedom to move as fast as you think. You think, it builds, and your vision becomes film. You've seen it in action. You've watched ideas become motion. Now it's your turn. Secure founder access to Clipsfield AI. Today, one-time payment. No subscriptions, lifetime updates, commercial rights, and so much more. Every future update, every new feature free for life. And if it's not everything you expected, you're fully protected by a 30-day money-back guarantee. Click the button below now before the launch window closes and bonuses disappear. We'll see you inside where your next viral story begins with a single thought. Clipsfield AI One button, one idea, infinite motion.